Meet Trip, a charming and affectionate cat who is ready to bring warmth and comfort into your life. With his gentle personality and calm demeanor, he's the perfect companion for anyone looking for a loving and snuggly friend. Trip is a sweet boy with a low-key attitude, making him an ideal addition to families or individuals alike. He loves to show affection through gentle purrs and soft headbutts, and will happily shower you with love and companionship. With patience and proper introduction, Trip can become a wonderful new member of your home family, bringing joy and happiness into your daily life.